In this video, I will show you how to recover Mostbet password. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. Before we continue, I'd advise you create a professional Mostbet account. To do that, click on register, choose the phone or email address option or advise the email address, and then you choose your country. Once you choose your country, choose your currency US dollar, fill in your email address and your password. When you come down to the promo code box, you use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, Mostbet is going to give you up to 400 US dollars as your first deposit bonus. Once you use the promo code Renzo TV, click on confirm. Once that is confirmed, the promo code is going to be applied. Fill in every other detail and then click on register. Now that you've created your account, let's continue. So to recover your Mostbet password, you have to come over to sign in. And once you are here, you're going to put in your email address that you want to sign in. And then you're going to click on forgot password. Once you click on forgot password, they'll ask you to send your email address or your mobile phone number. You're going to put your email address and then they're going to send you an email recovery password or a password recovery email to your email, and you can click on it and then they're going to give you the instructions to follow to recover your Mostbet password. It's a very easy process, just how you do it. I can subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this.